In this video, we will show you how to replace your headlamp bulb on this Chevy Silverado. This will be located inside of your headlamp assembly. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. With the hood up, locate your headlamp assembly. Along the top of it, you're going to find the one mounting clip here. You can just go ahead and dislodge this entire rod just by sliding it out towards the center of the vehicle. A quick inspection of this, make sure it's not rotted. This one looks good. We'll set it aside. Take hold of the assembly and carefully start pulling it away from the vehicle. Let's have a look along the back side there. Now that we have that dislodged, we have a clear view of where our headlamp bulb will be located. Start with the wiring harness. For this, it does have some locking tabs. Just go ahead and use your finger or a small prying device. A quick inspection for corrosion, we'll set that aside. Now that we have the wiring set aside, move along to taking hold of that headlamp bulb, turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. And there it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new headlamp bulb. We'll take this and slide it into position, turn it clockwise to lock it in. We've got our wiring harness, press it in, listen for a click. Let's give that a tug, make sure it's secure. Now we can get the headlamp assembly in place. As we start bringing this in position, we'll pay attention to the locating tabs on the bottom of the headlamp assembly in comparison to the mounting points on the body of the vehicle. Just carefully bring this down into position. Try to get it aligned. There we are. Slide the top into position as well, and then you can put in your locking pin. Slide it all the way through here. Once you have it slid through, you need to make sure you have it locked down. Listen for a click from that. Take hold of the headlamp assembly, give it a little wiggle, make sure it's completely secured to your vehicle. At this point, you want to do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. Now that we have the vehicle together, let's just test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.